Hey, Sabi here. I'm going to talk about how to go from zero to your first affiliate commission, your first sale with affiliate marketing without a dollar to spend. All right. So, first of all, in order to make money with affiliate marketing, you really only need two things, and that is offer and traffic. So, I will go from the beginner stage to advanced in this video. So, bear with me here. So, let's talk about the offer here. You can choose any offer from any niche that you are interested in. And I highly recommend you choose something from these top three niche, that is health, wealth, or relationships. Why? People will always want to improve their health in one way or another, improve their income, getting better at relationships, and there will always be demand for the products from these three niches. Now, if I were to take a look at my niche, and my niche would be inside the wealth category, right? And inside wealth, you can dive deeper into subcategories, sub niches, which could be dropshipping, side hustles, crypto trading, affiliate marketing, and so on. So my sub niche would be making money with affiliate marketing. I teach people, I show people, I sell products related to making money online with affiliate marketing in specific. So as this is my niche, I'm going to actually talk about this in this particular video, but it really applies to any other niche, any other category that you want. So I'm going to talk about things that I am experiencing. Okay. So by the way, you can find these offers related to any niche that you want on platforms like ClickBank, on Digitos24, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and there are private networks that you can find and so on. I will not waste a lot of time explaining how to find offers because I already did a video on that in depth. So this is the video. So I will leave the link in the description. Go and watch it. Highly recommend that. Okay, now we need to focus on the main topic of this video. Since you have nothing, absolute $0 to start with, how can you begin and get that first sale? So the most important thing that separates a successful affiliate marketer is their ability to drive traffic and drive it consistently. This is where most people struggle. So how do you get traffic and what strategy do I recommend? Look, you have $0 to invest, and the only way that I can think of is doing social media. Pick a platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Pick anyone, pick anything. And the easiest way to pick one would be the platform that you spend your most time on. If you spend your most amount of time on YouTube, then pick that. And then begins plan of action. It's really simple. Okay. So first of all, what you need to do is you have found an offer. Okay. So learn about the product, the offer that you're promoting. That is the first step. Second step would be researching your competitors who are promoting similar affiliate products. Basically, go and find people who are in your same category and are selling similar products. Okay, and take note of the topics they cover that did well. For example, they did like 10 videos, right? Maybe a creator that you found, they did like 10 videos and 3 of them really perform well for them. Take note of that and do this for few other creators, and you will now have a list of content that you can recreate it in your style and according to your knowledge and experience, right? Do not copy. I will talk about a small example, right? First of all, you can use ChatGPT or similar AI tools to give you ideas and even create new content for you to speak or write, right? Let me just show you an example here. So this is a very simple prompt and you can just pause and read it, right? And ChatGPT actually gave me a response, and then I gave them this thing, right? So I already have some ideas I will do videos on. So these were the ideas that I actually got, after analyzing my competitors. Okay. So here you go, and give as much video as possible so that I can create completely new videos plus suggesting plus supporting videos for it. And I gave them the idea, and ChatGPT gave me new ideas for every single title. For example, the best free traffic sources for affiliate marketing. It gave me top 5 underrated free traffic sources you are not using 2025. Great clickbaity title. Then how to maximize free traffic for affiliate marketing. That's a very good title. Great video to make free versus paid traffic for affiliate marketing. Everyone wants to know which is better. That's a great title as well. And then it gave me new ideas, right? And then it just kept going and kept going. And you can see it's a great way to get more ideas, more click-worthy, more clickbaity titles, and also more value-driven videos. All right. So the strategy is again very simple. Find videos, reels, blog posts, Facebook posts, or any other content that did well, and simply recreate it in your style. And then what? And just share your affiliate link. That's it. This way you will have no shortage of content. You will never run out of ideas. And when you share any type of content, right, regardless of what it is, what format it is, you become an authority, and you will start building an audience as a byproduct. And believe me, if you stick to the plan, you will get that first sale. And from then on, you will be building an email list. You will bringing in sales day in, day out, and things like that. Okay. And I want to actually share with you a video that I did where I explained in detail how to use ChatGPT to get video ideas, or even finding videos that did well and completely recreate it with the script and all. So I highly recommend you watch this. I will leave the link in the description as well. Now I will talk about a couple of strategies that did really well for me. Two strategies. So the first strategy is launch jacking, and second strategy is software reviews. All right. Launch jacking means you will be creating review videos before a product is launched. Okay, you will be finding products that are likely to do really well and just create a simple review video and be there when the hype of that product comes in to get those nice affiliate commissions. And the second strategy would be doing the software reviews that's already out there and has already good searches on YouTube and Google. You can find these softwares to create review videos on the websites like AppSumo and Futurepedia. Again, I created detailed videos about both these strategies, and again, I will leave the link in the description. I highly recommend you watch this, right? So instead of going and trying to find the magic trick to get unlimited amount of commission, just do this. Like, put in some effort and just do this, right? Whatever that I talked about, you will be making your first sale and beyond. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions at all, and if you want more videos like this, right? Like, subscribe, turn on that notifications to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in the next one. Cheers.